Do you ever feel like life is too complicated? Like there's always too much to do, and your money just slips through your fingers? Well, what if I told you that by simplifying your life, you could not only save money but also reduce stress instantly? It's true. Stick around, because today, I'm going to show you how minimalist lifestyle changes can help you live better with less. And the best part is, they'll save you money too. Introduction. Why minimalism works for stress and finances. In today's world, we're constantly surrounded by stuff. Whether it's physical clutter, financial pressures, or even mental stress. We're told to keep up with trends, own more things, and always be busy. But what if the secret to living a more peaceful, financially secure life wasn't about accumulating more, but about letting go? Minimalism isn't just about decluttering your home. It's about creating space in your life for what really matters. And when you focus on the essentials, not only will you reduce stress, but you'll also find yourself saving money along the way. In this video, we'll dive into simple, actionable minimalist changes you can make that will instantly help you save money and reduce stress. Whether you're just starting your minimalist journey or you've already embraced some changes, these tips will offer new ideas and motivation. 1. Declutter your home and your mind. One of the most immediate ways to reduce stress is to declutter your living space. Clutter makes everything feel chaotic, and it's harder to relax when your surroundings are constantly reminding you of things you still need to do. How it saves money. When you declutter, you often find things you forgot about, items you don't need that you can sell or donate. You stop buying duplicates of things you already own but couldn't see under the pile of stuff. How to apply it. Start small. Pick a single area to declutter, like your kitchen or closet. Donate or sell items that no longer serve a purpose. Commit to getting rid of one item every day for a month. This simple step not only clears physical space but can help clear your mental space as well, reducing decision fatigue and making you feel lighter. 2. Cut down on subscriptions and unnecessary expenses. We've all signed up for subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, monthly boxes, and more. But many of these subscriptions go unused, draining your bank account without you even realizing it. How it saves money. Canceling unused or unnecessary subscriptions puts money back in your pocket. You'll be surprised how much money you're wasting on things that you rarely use or could do without. How to apply it. Review all your subscriptions and cancel anything you don't use. Look for alternatives that are either free or one-time purchases instead of subscriptions. Track your monthly expenses and adjust your budget to reflect the changes. By cutting out subscriptions and unnecessary services, you free up both mental and financial space. 3. Simplify your wardrobe with the capsule. Wardrobe. The average person wears only a fraction of what's in their closet. A capsule wardrobe focuses on simplifying your clothing choices by investing in versatile, high-quality pieces that you love and wear often. How it saves money. You'll stop buying clothes impulsively or just because they're on sale. A capsule wardrobe eliminates the need to constantly update your wardrobe with the latest trends. How to apply it. Go through your closet and donate items that don't fit your personal style or are rarely worn. Choose a few key pieces that can be mixed and matched for different outfits. Stick to buying only what you truly need, avoiding impulse purchases. Not only will this save you money on clothes, but it'll also save you time each day since you'll spend less time deciding what to wear. 4. Stop chasing trends and focus on what matters. In a world of social media influencers and constant advertisements, it's easy to get caught up in chasing the next big trend. But trends are often fleeting, and chasing them leads to unnecessary spending and clutter. How it saves money. You avoid spending money on items that only give you temporary satisfaction. You focus on what really brings value to your life, rather than filling your home with things that don't last. How to apply it. Take a step back and evaluate if you really need the latest gadget or fashion trend. Focus on buying items that serve a purpose or bring lasting joy. Practice mindfulness and intentional spending. By aligning your purchases with your values, you'll find that you buy less, but enjoy what you own more. 5. Eat simple, whole foods and cook at home. Eating out or ordering takeout may seem convenient, but it can also be a major drain on your finances. Minimalism in the kitchen is about simplifying your meals, cooking at home, and focusing on whole foods. How it saves money. Cooking at home is far less expensive than dining out or ordering takeout. You buy fewer processed foods and can make healthier meals for a fraction of the cost. How to apply it? Plan your meals for the week, focusing on simple, nutritious ingredients. Cook in bulk and freeze leftovers for future meals. Limit eating out to special occasions. By simplifying your meals, you'll not only save money but also improve your health. 6. Use digital tools to track spending. With the rise of budgeting apps, it's easier than ever to track where your money goes. Minimalism also applies to finances by keeping them organized and transparent. How it saves money: you gain clarity about your spending habits, allowing you to cut out unnecessary expenses. By tracking your spending, you can focus on saving and investing more effectively. How to apply it? Use a budgeting app like Mint or an app to track income and expenses. Set limits on discretionary spending to avoid impulse buys. Review your spending weekly to stay on track with your goals. This will not only save you money, but it will also reduce financial stress by giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. 7. Declutter digital space. In today's world, digital clutter is just as stressful as physical clutter. From old emails to apps you don't use, a messy digital space can drain your time and energy. How it saves money: reducing digital clutter helps you focus on important tasks, which can lead to greater productivity and better financial decisions. You may find subscriptions and services you no longer need, saving you money. How to apply it? Unsubscribe from unnecessary email lists and organize your inbox. Delete apps that you no longer use or need. Clean up your computer files and back up important documents. By decluttering your digital life, you free up space to focus on what really matters, reducing stress and increasing efficiency. 8. Embrace the power of no. Minimalism is not just about physical things, it's about having the courage to say no to things that don't align with your values. Saying no to extra commitments or unnecessary purchases frees up your time and money. How it saves money: saying no to unnecessary expenses and events helps you stick to your budget. You stop spending on things that don't add value to your life. How to apply it? Say no to events that aren't a good fit for you financially or emotionally. Don't feel pressured to buy things you don't need. Be selective about your time commitments. This will help you maintain a stress-free life with more time to focus on what really matters. Conclusion: minimalism is freedom. Minimalism is about creating space. Space for peace of mind, space for savings, and space for what truly matters. By implementing these simple lifestyle changes, you can instantly reduce stress and save money, helping you build a more intentional and fulfilling life. The power of minimalism lies in its ability to simplify both your external world and your internal world. Start small, and remember, less is often more. Which of these minimalist habits will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone ready to simplify their life and reduce stress.